Check-in na muna kami, guys. Sasama na ako. Can I go with you, honey?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Hello guys, ayan. I'm here in Metro Station muna. Iniwan ko muna si Joe sa check-in area papuntang US kasi hindi pa siya open. So ako pupunta muna ng Metro Station to check kung anong oras yung last trip nila. Para sa pag-uwi ko. Magme-metro ako tapos magta-taxi papunta. So balik na ako. Last trip is 10:55. So I should go back before 10:55. So by 10:30 dapat nasa metro station na ako. Kasi from here to house, ang mahal ng taxi. It's almost 200 dirham. Sayang din yun. Magkano din yun sa peso. Alright? So, ayan. Okay, magme-metro lang pa uwi. So, nga pala guys, this is Terminal 3 here in Dubai. As you can see, ganyan po kaganda yung terminal dito nila. Napakalawak at napakalinis. And very organized, of course. So, lahat naman may access dito. At malinaw ang mga arrows. So, ito guys, yung arrival sa baba. Yun yung arrival sa baba. Ako ay nasa taas. Kasi, departure. Sumobra yata yung kanilang baggage nilang cut nila. Baggage wrapping. I'm here to the check-in. Dubai Duty Free. Ayan, may Dubai Duty Free rito. Ayun, ito yung Terminal 3 departure area ng Dubai. So, high-tech na rin dito guys kasi ginagawa to. Parang nire-renovate itong area ang gitna na to. Meron silang self-service baggage drop. Honey, I found a weighing machine there.
Okay.
Let's go, weigh your bag. Here, here. This one.
That's the exit.
Exit? I think, yeah, let's go inside first.
That's the self-service bag drop.
No, we can still go there and check. I'll ask, honey. So guys, tapos na namin matimbang yung luggage ni Joe. So we're going to proceed to the check-in area. Trolley.
Yeah,
It got static. Like electricity.
I did it earlier.
Yeah. Check-in na muna kami, guys. Sasama na ako. Can I come with you, honey?
Yep. Oh, they're not open yet.
LDR na naman kami for 4 times. But anyway guys, thank God at our LDR journey will be end so soon. So hopefully, yeah, at wala nang problema sa aming pag-process ng aming papers. So sana magtuloy-tuloy na. Amen.
Hello. I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good.
Good.
How was the staycation? I was talking with your lady. How was the staycation?
It was good. It was really good.
Can I go with you, honey?
Mm-hmm. Yep. I'll dump my bag out into. Oh, they've already got my bag, honey.
See?
Now we gotta buy you a ticket.
I gotta go inside your luggage because you already checked in.
Yep. Could have dumped it out in the trash and just you could climb in it.
Bye bye for now, honey. I'm gonna see you soon.
4 more months. 4.5.
Hi. I don't want to go home, honey. Don't you know that?
I don't think you should. I think you should go with me. I'll take you.
Grow old with you.
Can you fit in my backpack?
Grow old with you. Look,
You're small, honey. We'll put you in there.
look at my white hair. It's sticking up again.
Just a few.
Look at that.
Just a few, honey. It's okay.
Hatid niya muna ako, guys, papunta ng metro. Yung hinatid ko siya sa check-in area and then ihahatid naman niya ako sa metro station. Kami ay naghatiran lang, guys. Time check 10:40. Okay, honey, I'm running out of time to the metro station. Thank you for watching.